Hello everyone friends, in today's video, I will tell you how you can change the password on Snapchat, so watch this video completely. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open your Snapchat and tap on top left your profile icon. Now top right settings icon. Now scroll down and click on passwords. Here you can see the password, click on it. To change the password, you have to first add your old password here. After adding the old password, you have to click on Continue. Now here you have to add your new password. Now below, also, you have to add a new password again to confirm. After adding the password, click on Save. Here you can see your password has been changed. In this way, you can change the password of Snapchat.